transferring veneers and crowns from the model to the mouth. Here's a very easy transfer method. This is a cotton tip applicator with red rope wax on the tip. Red rope wax, cotton tip applicator. Take a little piece of the red rope wax, stick it on the tip of the cotton tip applicator, and then place this on either the occlusal surface of crowns or the facial surface of a veneer. Just makes it so easy to transfer. I'm placing my Vaseline. I've tried this in the mouth. I'm placing my Vaseline on the interproximal contacts of the crown the whole time, holding it or with my, just holding the cotton tip applicator, because it gets, it's really hard to hold sometimes with your gloved hand. Then I'm placing the cement in the crown and then transferring it in the mouth. Now you want to be sure that you decide how the crown is going to go into the mouth, so you can place the cotton tip applicator with red rope wax appropriately. Then here's a veneer. See the red rope wax and cotton tip applicator on the facial. It's just wonderful for holding them. Then place them in the mouth, and that's the dental minute. These techniques work, and they work every time.